Hey guys, it's Ben from Currys, and today we're here to get our hands on and unbox the new MSI gaming monitor. I'm really excited to see its Quad HD screen, lightning response time, and impressive refresh rates. Now it's not here, it's over in the studios at the test lab, so let's get over there and get it unboxed. So we're here at the studios to unbox and check out this MSI gaming monitor. Now that we've got it set up and you can see that picture, we can talk about the display. You get to see more of the action with the Quad HD display, which is chock full of details, and it gives you a really sharp and clear picture. The on-screen movement looks really fluid and seamless because it can keep up with the action. It's equipped with a rapid IPS display, which means the speed is up to 4 times faster than the normal liquidized crystal molecules. You get a 1 millisecond response time, so you won't miss a single frame, and you can play with complete precision. And to add to what are basically the ideal specs for high FPS gaming, you also get a 165Hz refresh rate, which makes sure you never have to worry about screen tearing or blurring getting in the way of your game. So if you'd like more info about this MSI gaming monitor, you can visit us in-store, online, or chat to one of our tech experts on a Shop Live video call.